I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help how to study general medicine. Start by mapping the syllabus into weekly modules and commit to focused 3-hour blocks with 2 short breaks. Balance theory and clinical cases and use spaced repetition for high-yield facts. Practice active recall with flashcards and short quizzes, and schedule weekly review sessions to reinforce learning. Keep your goals realistic and track progress to stay motivated. Pick a manageable set of resources and stick to them consistently to avoid overload. Prioritize one core textbook, one concise review, and a reliable question bank for each subject. Supplement reading with clinical cases to apply concepts and with guideline summaries to learn current practice. Use flashcards for memorization and annotate high-yield points. Consistency and gradual consolidation are more effective than cramming before exams. Adopt active study techniques to make your sessions productive and memorable. Use spaced repetition and active recall with flashcards rather than passive rereading. Teach classmates or verbalize case reasoning to clarify thinking and expose weaknesses. Regularly do timed mock tests to build exam stamina and refine pacing. After tests, analyze errors and adjust your study plan so you steadily reduce mistakes and improve confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.